Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to another video. Someone recently asked me to do a walkthrough once they've deposited money into the Animal Farms piggy bank, how to actually get the money back into their wallet. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. The first thing you want to do is come to animalfarm.app. All the links that I mentioned in this video will be down in the YouTube description. Once you've come there, click Launch App, a new tab pops open, and you will come up here and click Connect Wallet. From here, I am going to choose Wallet Connect because that is where my wallet is. It's on my phone. But if you had MetaMask in your browser, you would click this one. All of these other ones have to do with your mobile phone. So all of these, excluding the MetaMask, have to do with your mobile phone. MetaMask here is only in the browser. So I'm going to click Wallet Connect. And from here, I am going to come and click on Piggy Bank. Now I have deposited some money into my piggy bank, some of these pigs/BUSD LP tokens, and when you scroll down here, you can see here we have my piggy banks. I only have one, and the truffles value is 43 cents. It's because I just did a compound earlier this morning, but for today's video, I'll show you how to do that, actually cash out, and have that money go back into your wallet. So the first thing you want to do is under the action select here, you're going to click Sell. Now when you do that, your wallet is going to pop open and you're going to have to click Confirm the transaction. You can see right here I have sold the truffles successfully and the transaction has been sent. The very next step is you need to add the pigs/BUSD LP token to your wallet, because if you don't have it there, you will not see that amount in your wallet. Now I have a collection of contract addresses and I will leave these all down below, but the one that you want to add is this one right here. So when you add this to your wallet, by coming down here, tapping Import Tokens at the bottom, clicking on Custom Token, all you need to do is copy this and then you will paste it into the token address field here. It'll say Cake LP. You can rename that to AFP or pig/BUSD LP. And when you do that, you just click Import at the very bottom. By doing that, you can see I have a balance here of 0.44759 Cake LP, and those are the rewards that I have been able to move out of my piggy bank down here by clicking on the Sell button, and that's really all there is to it. If you wanted to take it one step further, let's go ahead and go to pancakeswap.finance. You can see my wallet is connected, but if your wallet was not connected, you just click Connect Wallet. For me, I'm going to choose Wallet Connect again because I have my wallet on my phone. And now I'm going to scan the QR code using my MetaMask wallet and saying connect to the site. Once I'm connected, I'm going to come up here to the top and click Trade and then Liquidity. From here you will see the liquidity pairs that I have. We've got AFP/BUSD. This is the amount that we just took from our piggy bank. And if for some reason you didn't see this AFP/BUSD, you come down here and click Find Other LP Tokens. From here you will need to know the contract address for those pigs. So if we open back up this text edit, this is the contract address right here. You would simply copy it, go back to PancakeSwap and click on this very first field. You would paste in that contract address here. This would pop up, you'd click on that. Next you would need to find the BUSD address, which is right here. This BUSD, select that. And when you connect these two, you should see LP tokens in your wallet. And from here, just click Manage this pool. Now on your Trade and then Liquidity page, which was from Trade Liquidity, you should now see this pair right here. And if you wanted to cash out, you could click this here and click Remove. And in doing that, you would get a certain amount of AFP or pigs and a certain amount of BUSD. And once you did that, you would have some AFP in your wallet and BUSD in your wallet. If for some reason you didn't see either of these, that just means you need to add the contract addresses to the bottom of your wallet by clicking Import Tokens, custom token, and then pasting in the specific contract address. I will put all this information down below. I will also include the BUSD contract address as well as the PIGS contract address. Make sure to add both of these to your wallet in order to see them in your wallet. And that's really all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.